this one will be good. We're doing if anyone want to see the neon pigments and painting, I am gonna be excited to do it for you tomorrow. Tomorrow is gonna be like roses with neon pigment. How about that? Does that sound good? Ah, that's awesome. I was like, oh, I miss neons. All right, so of course, no wet top coat floating on the top of this Bestie condensed glue gels. I'm say floating, so then that's why you won't not drag all of the condensed glue gel away. Where am I? Right there. But let me move this. This the Trifecta. If you are like really struggling or having a little bit of troubleshooting with crystal placement and your crystal keep coming off or it keeps snagging on the client's hair and their clothes or anything else, this 3 Bestie will be perfect for you, and your crystal will thank you and your clients will love it. So I'm using a frame. Loving this frame. Okay. Oh my gosh, I love the colors. So this is a transcendent crystal pack with selecting all different colors, and the pack is going well for you. So then that way you can actually really enjoy what you're doing and make it so much easy. This is 2. Oh, I like this color. And then one more. And you can add your beads on. In this one, I'm gonna do the gold beads. You see how simple it is in this design. I use the centerpiece as the triangles again, and the super adorable, gorgeous drop. And again, you can add so many more. I am loving it. I know why it's just going. It's really nice, and I'm going to the silver one right here. Go back to the gold. Okay. Do I miss any comments, babe?
No, that's fine.
Hey everyone, hello, hello, happy Thursday. Somehow I thought today's Monday. And Mika said, hello, no. Last week is Saturday, you said it's Friday. Now you're like, okay. Why I go backward?
You're trying to restart the whole week.
Yeah. Well, it means that it's a symptom of do you love what you're doing? That's why like, okay, start a whole week again. No. Is it, wait, is that Monday? Okay. Looks good. It's really best thing about I'm loving it because if I need to adjusting it, I have so many a time in the world to really like adjusting it as I wish. I didn't want to do so many as you know, hey, but you can do so many crystal on it if you want to. I just want to show some of the neon glitter. All right, so we are going to cure this baby for like 60 seconds.